Preventing a Malady, your guide to staying healthy. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, preventing a malady. It sounds a bit formal, doesn't it? But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and why it's important for both your health and your English skills. So, let's dive in. First things first, let's break down the phrase, preventing a malady. The word, preventing, comes from prevent, which means to stop something from happening or to keep something from occurring. And malady is a less common word that means a disease or ailment. It's a formal term, often used in medical or literary contexts. So, when we put these words together, preventing a malady means taking steps to avoid getting sick. It's all about the actions we can take to protect our health and keep diseases at bay. You might wonder, why is this phrase important? Well, talking about health and prevention is not only crucial for our well-being but also a common topic in English conversations, especially in the context of global health issues. Understanding and using this phrase correctly can help you communicate more effectively about health matters, share advice, and understand news and discussions on public health. Now that we know what preventing a malady means, let's talk about how we can actually do it. There are several universal health recommendations. Eating a balanced diet. Consuming a variety of nutrients supports our immune system. Regular exercise. Keeping our body active boosts overall health and resistance to diseases. Adequate sleep. Rest is crucial for the body's recovery and defense mechanisms. Hygiene practices. Regular hand washing and cleanliness can significantly reduce the spread of germs. Vaccinations. Staying up to date with vaccinations can protect us from many serious diseases. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning of preventing a malady, and why it's a vital concept for both your health and your English vocabulary. Remember, taking care of your health is not just about personal well-being. It's also about contributing to the health of the community around you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. Stay healthy and keep learning.